Alright, let's get building. But before we make anything cool, we have to talk about not getting hurt. Welcome to the world of health, safety, and environment, or HSE. Think of it as the ultimate instruction manual for your workshop, for your office, or any place you work. It's not about wrapping you in bubble wrap. It's about giving you the knowledge to be a superhero of safety. The most important tool you have is you. Keeping yourself and your team in one piece is job number one, every single day. It means you get to go home and build more awesome stuff tomorrow. So let's break down the lingo. First up, hazard. A hazard is anything with the potential to cause harm. Puddle of water on the floor, frayed electrical cord, heavy box on a high shelf. It's just sitting there, a potential problem waiting to happen. Now, what's risk? Risk is the chance, high or low, that somebody could actually be harmed by that hazard. It's the likelihood of that potential problem becoming a real problem. Now, for the really exciting stuff, fire. I love fire. I also have a massive amount of respect for it. It's powerful and unpredictable. To control it, you need to know how it starts. This is the famous fire triangle. Imagine a three-legged stool. For fire, you need three things: heat, fuel, oxygen. Heat, ignition source, a spark, a flame, a hot surface. Fuel, anything that burns. Wood, paper, gas, oil. Oxygen, the air around us. Remove one leg and the fire goes out. Poof! Not all fires are equal. We sort them by class based on the fuel. Using the wrong extinguisher can make things worse. Class A, solid combustibles. Class B, flammable liquids and gases. Class C, electrical, energized equipment. Extinguishers are labeled. Check the label. For small fires with the right extinguisher, remember pass. Your workspace is a landscape of potential myths to bust and projects to build, but it's also a landscape of hidden dangers. Let's shine a light on them. One of the most common villains is the simple slip, trip, and fall. It sounds minor, but these accidents can cause serious injuries. The culprits are usually things like spills, wet floors, cluttered walkways, loose cords, or poor lighting. The control is straightforward: good housekeeping. Next up, the invisible menace, electricity. I have a healthy fear of electricity because you can't see it, but it can get you. Electrical hazards include frayed cords, overloaded outlets, and if you have to work on or near electrical circuits, make sure they are de-energized and locked out. Chemicals are another big one. Even common workshop chemicals can be hazardous if handled improperly. Every chemical comes with a safety data sheet, or SDS. This document is the chemical's biography. Finally, let's talk about ergonomics. This is the science of fitting the job to the person, not the other way around. You bend at your knees and lift with your powerful leg muscles. Your body is a machine. Maintain it well. No matter how careful we are, emergencies can still happen. The difference between chaos and control is having a plan. Every workplace must have an emergency action plan. Your first job as an intern is to learn it. Know the sound of the fire alarm. Know your escape routes to the designated assembly point. Everyone gathers there to be counted. In an emergency, knowing some basic first aid can make a world of difference while you wait for professional help. For a minor cut, apply direct pressure with a clean cloth. Chemical splash in the eyes, go to an eye wash station immediately. Safety isn't just about big emergencies. It's about the small things you do every single day. This is what we call a safety culture report: near misses. Close calls that didn't turn into accidents. Embrace your stop work authority. This is waste segregation. Be ready for chemical spills. Prevent contamination of soil and water. Small actions. Turning off lights to save energy. Your actions, no matter how small, build a safer reality for everyone.